Welcome to Auto Plus, my channel where we take you inside the most insane, futuristic, and luxurious vehicles on Earth. If you love innovation, design, and technology that pushes the limits, then buckle up because today's feature will leave you stunned. The Kenworth T2000 has always been an iconic highway legend, but in 2026 it has been reborn as something extraordinary. From the outside, the design screams authority and elegance with its aerodynamic curves, signature chrome accents, and LED lighting that transforms it into a glowing beast at night. But the real magic starts when you step inside. The living room alone will make your jaw drop. Plush leather sofas, a 75-inch 8K smart TV, ambient LED lighting that can shift colors to match your mood, and panoramic windows that make you feel like the world outside is part of your lounge. It's less of a truck and more like a luxury penthouse suite. Except this one can cruise down the highway at full speed. The kitchen is a chef's dream, with state-of-the-art induction cooking, touchscreen controlled appliances, marble countertops, and even a hidden wine cooler. Whether you're cooking a full dinner or just making a late-night snack, the Kenworth T2000 Motorhome keeps it stylish and efficient. Then comes the bedroom, a true sanctuary. A California king-size bed with memory foam technology, surround sound built into the walls, and smart climate control that adjusts to your body temperature. Imagine parking under the stars and falling asleep in a room that feels like a 5-star hotel. That's the level of luxury we're talking about here. And yes, the bathroom is just as insane. A rainfall shower, heated floors, a touch-controlled mirror with built-in displays, and high-end finishes that rival top luxury resorts. Who would believe all of this exists inside a truck? But here's where the Kenworth T2000 2026 Motorhome truly sets itself apart. The technology. This beast is equipped with semi-autonomous driving, AI-powered navigation, solar panel integration for energy efficiency, and even a smart home system that lets you control lighting, temperature, and entertainment all from your phone or voice command. It's not just about traveling anymore, it's about living in the future. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, so is the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome worth it? For those who crave freedom, style, and luxury without limits, the answer is a massive yes. It's more than a motorhome, it's a moving kingdom. A palace on wheels and a dream for every traveler who refuses to compromise. If you enjoyed this exclusive inside look, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Plus for more jaw-dropping reviews of futuristic vehicles. Drop a comment and tell me, if you owned the 2026 Kenworth T2000 Motorhome, where would your first adventure be? Thanks for watching. And remember, the road is no longer just a path. It's a destination when you're driving a palace like this.